What is Earlywood? We get that question all the time because obviously it's the name of our business. Hopefully I can spread some light on that for you. This piece of wood I've got right here happens to be hard maple. This is probably going to be some sautés or some spreaders. But you can see on the end of the piece of wood that we've got growth rings here. I'm sure you've seen those on firewood or your kitchen table. Basically anything's made out of wood. You can see the growth rings on it. There's two parts to each growth ring. In this particular wood, there's a dark part that's kind of thin, and then there's a lighter part that's a little bit thicker. The light part is all earlywood. The dark part is all latewood. The earlywood grows in the spring and the beginning of the summer when the days are getting a little longer. There's a lot of moisture around and the ground's wet, so the tree's able to pull nutrients out of the ground. That's when about 80% of the tree, of the wood in a tree is grown, and that is the early wood. Now the dark part is the late wood, which grows when the days are shorter and it's colder out, the ground might be frozen, and that is usually a narrower band because it's colder in the winter and there's not as many nutrients and there's not as much water. So pretty much every tree is half late wood, half early wood, and they perform a few different functions. The late wood gives the tree the bulk of its strength, and the early wood is more porous and allows the tree to pass water and nutrients up to the entire tree. So that's what we named our business after, and I hope that answers the question for you.